Here we go. This is my RC9700. I already took the filter off from here, and I just stuck it there. And what I did is I just I'm not using the supplied cable. That's why I thought I will do a quick video on my phone, so sorry about that. And because we will not use this filter, so I actually had some double-sided tape, soft type sponge. That's what I stuck around the insulator, because mine actually sits higher. I already contacted Leo Bodnar, so I actually have to put some washers there. You can see them in place. One in position 10, yeah, there it is, and 111. I got a washer there, and I'm actually using longer screws than the supplied ones, and I also put a couple of washers there. Here we go. I've had them surplus. I used them a lot for my homebrew gear. M3 they are, and this way it just goes in a bit further, so I used even a longer screw than what was supplied. I still kept the original, even though I think the radio is good enough. It will I hope I will not have to open it up too many more times, even though all my other radios I haven't been opening it as much as this one. So it needs it anyway. So I'll install that now, and then I will do some testing and let you know how it goes. Yeah, so why did I put washers there? Because this little inductor is, I believe, bigger than what they had in the past, so it actually touches the components, and when you install it, it will actually bend the boards. So I did don't like that, so I put washers there, so it sits higher. And I thought, if it sits by 0.2 of a mil or 0.3 of a mil higher, I mean, ICOM originally has a filter there, the one you see in the top right, and so I put my own concoction there and I use this as a filter. It's not bad. I leave that plastic on. Actually, I don't have to stick it there, so I'll just leave that on one side, and now I will install it, and it should still work fine. It does a great job, I have to say. And now to the local beacon, and I'll just check the automatic frequency control. Press that. Yeah, we are spot on. Very good. And there's the little mini GPS do from Leo Bodnar, and yeah, it locks very quick too, so good job. So now I'm getting ready to test it. I'm driving my amplifier with about 90%, that could be about around 9 watts. And the amplifier is up here, 150 watts amp. So putting out about that 120. That meter wouldn't be that accurate because, yeah, I did that myself. So anyway, and I'm using the TS2000X to receive the signal with tons of attenuators on it, so it can handle it. And here's the signal on the screen. Yeah, so both have been on for some time, the ICOM and the TS2000. The TS2000 is a bit off. I know that, but not too much. But it is stable. Anyway, people are not complaining. When I used it for EME on 23 centimeters, I worked 3 stations within the first few weeks. Surprised myself, but anyway, and this is what's happening. Yeah, so the IC9700, I consider it now very stable, even when she's transmitting. So the injection board did the job. I'm happy with it, even though it took me a bit longer to install. It wasn't as simple, so unlucky me, it didn't fit straight in, and mine was actually too low. It was touching components. So yeah, but it's pretty good. I just check this one more time here, and it's coming down nice and straight. In the past it didn't do that, only if I put an extra fan behind the radio, but that's not what we want to do, is it? CK4FB, thanks for watching.